Hello everyone, welcome to Online Fashion Design. Today we are going to do chain stitch. To do chain stitch, I've made a line and locked my thread. For most of all my stitches, I've used 3 strands of thread. Even for chain, I'm using 3 strands of anchor thread. Now let's begin. I've kept my thread on my left side. And now I'm putting my needle from where the thread has started, same place. I'm putting my needle down, and from some distance I will remove my needle out. When I'm removing my needle out, I will keep the thread behind the needle and now pull. Remember that not to pull the thread too much, keep it slightly loose, not very loose, just a normal like this. Okay, once again I will put the needle back from where the thread has come out, and from the same distance like before, what you had kept here, same distance you'll keep it here, and pull the thread out. Remember to keep the thread below this thread. Keep it below and now pull. Once again we'll do it. Put the needle into the fabric from where the thread is coming out and keep the thread behind the needle. We'll keep the thread behind the needle and now pull it out. This is a chain stitch. It's very similar to chain, metal chain that we see. It's linked to each other, that's why it's a chain stitch. Now I'll keep the thread behind the needle and pull out. Like this, I will keep continuing now. Chain can be used for outlines. You can continue making, you can make a wavy design and make chain stitch with that. Keep the thread behind the needle and pull out. You can also make flower with this, an outline of flower with chain. Once again, I will put the needle into the hole from where the thread has come out, and from some distance I will remove the needle and put the thread behind the needle and pull out. Once again, needle inside from the thread is coming out and keep the thread behind the needle and then pull out. Try to keep the same distance of all the stitches so it will give uniformity. And also the finishing matters. So always remember to lock your threads at the starting and at the end, and cut the thread from below, not from the top. That does not look nice. I'll show you how to lock the thread here. Now this is my last stitch. Keep the thread behind. Now it's my last stitch. Now I have to lock the thread. To lock the thread, after 2 to 3 strands, I will put the needle down and remove it out. Pull and put the needle down. And now cut the thread. This is my chain stitch. Thank you. Bye bye.